Good morning, Finovate, and Tai Ka Ho. Well, that's the extent of my Cantonese, I'm afraid. My name is David Agar, and I'm the CEO of Bank4YOU, the crypto pioneer of international mobile money remittances. And at the controls today, I have my colleague Sinchee, who's our VP of Business Development for Asia Pacific. Today's presentation is going to be of particular interest to prospective partners and investors who are looking to invest, looking to profit from the exciting sector of crypto mobile payments sector. At Bank4YOU, we make it possible for the underbanked to move money easily, quickly, and cost-effectively. And we do this via blockchain, converting it into any currency. But our unique selling proposition is converging cryptocurrency with mobile. And today, there is a huge underbanked population in the world. According to the World Bank, there are 2 billion people who do not have access to financial services. And there's also 250 million people who are living outside their homelands, also known as migrants. That means there's a huge opportunity for companies represented here today to engage with this market and provide them with an innovative solution to this problem. In doing so, there's also a massive global good that can come from this in easing the burden, and that's a big win-win, which has got to be good. So let's take migrant workers as an example. They've left their homelands to earn money to send back home to their family and loved ones. But banks and traditional money transfer operators are both expensive and inconvenient. So we decided to build our own solution, and we called it Mobile Money Remittance Service, or MMRS for short. It represents the core platform on which Bank4YOU's ICO, which launched yesterday, is based. If we look at a use case scenario, there's one that's actually quite relevant to what's happening in Hong Kong right now. Maria is a foreign domestic helper from the Philippines. She's been in Hong Kong for 5 years, and she's a housekeeper for a local bank official and his family. Each month, she manages to save the equivalent of $150, which she wants to send back home to her elderly mother, Patricia, in the Philippines. Now, Maria's current wallet has got $256 in as a balance, but she only wants to send $150 back to her mum. So she has sufficient funds, but if that wasn't the case, then she has added additional functionality which she can use. She can get or send tokens to or from someone else's wallet. And of course, she can use the exchange function to top up her wallet by buying more MMR tokens and debiting her bank or credit card. And this all happens pretty much real time, and it's a very straightforward process. So as Maria has sufficient funds in her wallet, she can now send some money home to mum. So, can you send $150, please, to Maria's mum? Now here's where the really interesting part happens. As Saul goes through the process, he selects the country and then the mobile operator that Maria's mum is connected to. He then inputs her mobile number, and finally, he enters the amount. Now, bear in mind that although Maria has chosen to send $150, the whole transaction has actually been contained within the MMRS platform using MMR tokens. And yet, Patricia's wallet, mobile wallet in the Philippines, has been credited directly in real time with $150 of airtime. And that's Bank4YOU's real differentiator, the convergence of mobile and crypto payments. By establishing wholesale airtime integration with mobile operators' wallets, our internal MMR tokens are converted to the equivalent value of mobile airtime. And as soon as the request is confirmed, the recipient's mobile wallet is credited in real time. And because the MMRS platform supports both traditional and cryptocurrencies, monies can be sent directly to the mobile wallets of hundreds of millions of financially excluded people, conveniently and cost-effectively. And there are literally many millions of Marias out there working away from their homelands in cities around the world. In fact, research carried out by Agar, the convergence of cryptocurrencies and mobile accounts is predicted to grow at a compound annual growth rate of circa 39% to the year 2025, at which point the market will be worth a staggering $405 billion. Building our MMRS platform on blockchain enables us to charge ultra-low fees. Typically, these might be between 0.5% and 1%, and that's significantly cheaper than the best current market rates. However, I should make it clear that there are still sufficient margins to accommodate working with partners at different levels to provide us with the necessary channels we need and with a reduced time to market. And this in turn ensures that Bank4YOU's model is a very attractive and exciting proposition for investors as well. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the future solution for mobile money remittances. If you're interested in discussing potential partnerships or investment, or would like to know more about our ICO, then please come and see us at our booth. As other people have mentioned, we do have a range of bribes available in terms of best in show. But alternatively, just message us to find out how this great opportunity can work for you, and we'll be happy to talk to you. Thank you very much.